Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start enjoying travel rewards with a Chase Sapphire card. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by researching the different Chase Sapphire credit cards available. Choose between the Chase Sapphire Preferred and the Chase Sapphire Reserve. Evaluate each card's benefits, including sign-up bonuses and rewards points. Once you've made your choice, apply for the card online through the Chase website. Fill out the application form with accurate personal and financial information. Submit the application and wait for approval, which can take a few minutes to a few days. After approval, activate your card as soon as it arrives in the mail. Familiarize yourself with the card's reward structure. For the Sapphire Preferred, earn 2 points on travel and dining. For the Sapphire Reserve, earn 3 points on travel and dining. Make sure to use your card for eligible purchases to maximize your rewards. Track your points through the Chase app or website for easy management. Consider dining or travel expenses that may qualify for bonus points. Remember to check for special offers and promotions that may be available. Plan your travel purchases strategically to earn the most rewards. Explore the Chase Ultimate Rewards platform for redeeming points. You can redeem points for travel, gift cards, or cashback based on your preferences. If you travel frequently, consider transferring your points to partner airlines and hotels. Stay updated on your account to ensure you're taking advantage. Finally, enjoy the perks of loyalty and rewards every time you travel. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.